so loud. Oh my god. That's so loud. That's so loud.
That's a Brembo tune too.
How much was it? So cool.
Now it's quiet.
What the heck?
Yeah, that's the A part.
Sounds like a regular car now.
Yeah. And then open.
Is my dad home?
Yeah, he's upstairs. Oh, you gotta be careful with this car driving. This car almost killed me.
Carbon.
It's meth injected.
Got the lineup though.
I like the inside of it. Sit inside it. Don't move anything. No. What? They're like the... It's a racing seatbelt. Yeah, the racing seatbelts. I'm gonna ask your dad if he give you a ride. Look at the back. Wait, go ask your dad real quick, because Mom doesn't like you driving. I love this so much.
It's so loud.
Meth injected. How cool is the intercooler?
This is a disgusting looking truck setup.
Yeah, because it's convertible.
Yeah, I know.
You know how your dad never washes cars?
Yeah.
His cars? This is the first one he ever washed. Oh my god!
Oh my.
Isn't that the... Supercharger? Yeah, that's the Supercharger. That's what... Yeah.
Look at it.
I like that. What is it? Get it. You didn't get it. You missed. This thing is fast. The Brembo tune's so loud when you have the exhaust open. This is faster
I want to drive it to school.
You'll probably let you.
I might get kicked out.
Why?
The cops have been pulling people over for small stuff. Maybe I drive it on Wednesday.
That's what her dad was saying too. Bring the Acura home so we can take the whole family picture. So like, these wheels are crazy.
Yeah, they're like
aftermarket Brembos too.
They're like $4,000.
For those? Just the brakes.
Brakes.
$4,000.
The wheels cost $4,000 too, though.
Oh my god.
Or like $5,000.
Crazy. 4,000
big
for
it is.
just brakes? Yeah. Jesus. You like that, huh, Dylan? You like that?
Yeah.
You could, Kyle, I'll tell you. When me and your dad took a drive in it, we couldn't stop smiling. We were like little girls. We passed it after school. Kyle was having a heart attack. Really?
Well,
he
yeah.
saw it. No, because he saw it.
And I didn't know. I thought someone was at her house. And then I remembered that Dad got it. And I was like, oh shoot, Dylan. Because Dad didn't talk to Dylan about it, so Dylan didn't know.
This car is crazy. I love this. These cut-offs are so crazy. It goes from muffler to straight pipe.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. But it's loud. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I think at nighttime is that people might complain. God, watch the cop. Daytime is okay.
I want Dylan to hold the camera on himself so you can drive Dylan.
Stop it.
Oh my god! That's so. Oh my god. It sounds so.
If I shut it off,
Shut it off then. It sounds like a normal car. Normal car. You can drive it with it off,
oh
right?
yeah, drive fast and safe. You feel the same power.
Yeah.
You want me to go fast without the noise?
Yeah. Yes. So fast, like, have you ever, is this the fastest car you've driven before?